Hey guys, watch this effect. To do this effect, import the video in your timeline, then put the clip on a higher track, then add a text underneath that video clip, match the duration of the text and video clips, then disable the video track so we can focus on the text, click on text, then customize it. I suggest that you use a thick font like Impact, Aptos Black, or Arial Black. Increase the size, but do not change the text color. It has to be white. Now, reactivate the video clip, then click it. On the inspector menu, go to Composite, then Composite Mode, and choose Foreground. Next, choose the text clip, go to the settings in the inspector, go to Composite, Composite Mode, and then choose Alpha. If you want to change the position of the video, click on the video clip and make the adjustments in the inspector panel. Now let us do the animation. Click on the text clip settings, go to the beginning of your clip, and then click on this diamond icon at the right side of the transform node. Then, place the playhead at the end of the clip. What I want is to enlarge the text, so I will play around with the zoom. Let us check how it goes. Finally, I will add a fade on the video, the text, and the sound. And for the final version, here you go. Awesome. And that is how you create a handwriting effect. Thank you for watching.